Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Hager number 3920 SC US26D. This is a replacement latch bolt from Hager for their 3700 series unit. This is a nice evolution in the bolt world of deadbolts, meaning that tapered bolt that's there. Very nice and handy. Will help you greatly alleviate if you've prepped the door for the door and frame and you're off a 1/16 of an inch, it'll save you from having to file, and then the opening's too large. The tapered bolt will also help get the bolt entered into the hole in the strike and then draw the door tight into the hole as well. And as a result becomes a very effective way to be able to secure the door, in fact, with this tapered style bolt. This is a 2 3/4 back set. That dimension is from the edge of the door to the center of the hole, and on this bolt would be to the center of where the tailpiece goes through to communicate from the cylinder to the cylinder or the cylinder to the thumb turn. The back set is measured from the center of the thickness of the door, not from the high side or the low side if it's beveled. If it's a square edge door, it's literally from the edge. So if you have a beveled door and you're measuring it on the inside, be mindful that your tape measure is going to have to go a little bit further than 2 3/4 to get the proper center line, maybe 2 13/16. Anyway, that's a different conversation, how to measure a back set, or the back set on a door. This is going to be a typical 2 1/4 tall, 1 1/8 wide. This will fit into a 161 prep, this entire lock. That is 2 3/4, 2 1/8 with an inch and 1/8 wide, 2 1/4 tall. This is for the 3700 series, and that is their, of course, their interconnected lock. And the tapered deadbolt on an interconnected lock is indeed standard. Really nice idea. Residential hardware, why would a tapered bolt be typical on interconnected? Interconnected would be used in residential applications or light duty commercial. I've supplied boatloads of it to assisted living facilities, and generally I find the caliber of the material used in certain instances where you have interconnected locks to be of a less than top grade 1 caliber. Having a tapered deadbolt is going to make the fit and finish and the operation of the deadbolt smoother, because it's going to allow you to get that bolt into the strike even when you have a minor amount of misalignment. Projection of the bolt, that's going to be your typical 1 inch. Okay. Overall height of the bolt, about 7/8. Thickness, 0.629, so 5/8, 0.629. But out here, where the taper is, my caliper's telling me 0.525. 0.525. So basically 50 thousandths on either side is shaved away. Okay, so that gives you not quite a 1/16, but almost, and it gives you 3/32 of an inch total adjustment, and you will find it will work smoothly with that. In the link below this video to the document called Product Catalog. In that product catalog, you're going to be able to review all of the available parts from Hager for the 3700 series. The 2 3/8 version of this, and by the way, this is a heavy latch bolt. This feels heavy in the hand. In fact, it weighs 0.38 pound. At least it does. Weighs more than 1/3 of a pound. At least it does with its wood and machine thread combination screws with that'd be an 832 flat undercut head put into a wood frame or a steel frame sort of combination thread. Okay, 3921 would be the part number for the 2 3/8 version. That's going to have a hardened bolt down in the center to resist attack, sawing, things of that nature. The 3700 series is a grade 2 lock. It may be 400,000 cycles. It may be 500,000 cycles. I'm not sure what the current standard is. I need to pull up a ANSI A156 document for that. I I understand it to be 500,000 cycles at grade 2. So that document is good because it'll allow you to get all the other replacement parts in order from the manufacturer. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Hager products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. The name Hager is synonymous with hinges. Hager hinge, it's their namesake, for goodness sakes. However, they do a lot more than just hinges. Hinges, door closers, lock sets, exit devices, electrified hardware, weather stripping, Roton hinges, obviously, sliding doors, pocket, bifold, bypass, surface mount material, ancillary hardware like filler plates for steel doors and frames, signage they get into. I find that they have an incredibly loyal client base, and the fact that Hager continues to evolve their product line and do so in unique and smart ways would be a reason why you should consider their product line. Overall, they're a very good company, worthy of your consideration. Any questions on the Hager 3920 latch bolt in a satin chrome finish? And of course, you can get it in all of the different finishes available, which would be satin, bronze, US 10, oil rub bronze, and I'm looking at them. Oil rub bronze, US 10B, US 26 polished chrome, 26D satin chrome, US 3 polished brass, US 4 satin brass, and all those finishes. Any questions on the 3920 or any other Hager product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.